welcome back to our channel. The best season of the year is right here. Merry Christmas in advance! Last week, the stainless steel prices had a rising tendency. Bet on the stainless steel price to rise or fall later. More about the analysis, subscribe now and keep watching. Indonesia nickel export tax again fails to happen, and the nickel market lost key prop-up factor. However, the historic low inventory in the LME and Shanghai Futures Exchange and the robust electric vehicle market are the essential elements to support the nickel price. Last week, the London Metal Exchange nickel price kept increasing to 27,400 until December 7. The price rose to 29,280 US dollars, boosting the Shanghai Futures Exchange nickel price and the stainless steel futures and the spot product to rise. On December 2nd, the cold-rolled stainless steel 304 generally went up to 2,540 US dollars. The stainless steel 200 series followed suit, and the cold-rolled mill at J1 rose to 1,505 US dollars per ton. But the stainless steel 430 remains stable, 1,375 and 1,330 US dollars, quoted by Tisco and Gisco respectively. The TP demand remains the biggest problem. It is predicted that the base price of cold-rolled stainless steel 304 is projected to hover between 2,510 to 2,555 US dollars per ton. The major economic entities face the same gloomy state. In November, the Purchasing Managers Index (PMI) for the China manufacturing industry was 48%, decreasing by 1.2% from the previous month. Other key and related indicators all fell below that threshold. The U.S. market manufacturing PMI and the Eurozone manufacturing PMI were still below the threshold as well. Poor market performance naturally leads to the contraction of the production side. To cope with the economic recession and sluggish demand worldwide, stainless steel producers have to cut output. In our last Stainless Steel Weekly, we mentioned that over 200,000 tons of stainless steel production will reduce in November and December. A source related to the industry told us that many Chinese producers will hold the ores as a reserve until the new year. European producers have begun to reduce output since the middle of this year to avoid unprofitable sales and a high power expenditure in the US as the domestic demand decreases. It is predicted that the production in the fourth quarter will fall. Will the strengthened production bring up the prices in the new year as the COVID quarantine has loosened recently in China? We will leave the question mark here because global demand continues to decrease and Chinese might have faced a new challenge in the new era of post-pandemic. Most of you will have the Christmas holiday soon, and the Chinese New Year falls in January. Some steel mills will announce that they will start a one-month holiday on January 1st and start stocking up, which means that the spot inventory is getting scarce. If you have plans to purchase recently, make sure both parties have enough time. Well, that is all for today. If you want to read the full report, just go to our website and just don't forget to subscribe in our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!